and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. So this morning's pucker tea was elderberry, and I can't pronounce that, so I've no idea what that is, but it tastes lovely. Right, so the Crochet Society mystery blanket. Right, well, if you'd watched yesterday's video, you'd realise that I just run out of time by 5 o'clock and I hadn't done much. I think I'd done half a row because I'd had a busy day. But last night I finished the yellow, and there we are. Doesn't it look lovely? And you can see the texture because you're doing this sort of mosaic overlay thing. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with that. So excited to see what's colour is in the box today. But this went really well. We're still using the 4mm crochet hooks, so it's lovely and thick. So yeah, so let's open up today's day, number 10. Right, so there's number 10 here, and oh, it's a mustard, so we've got a mustard colour, and that's called honeycomb. So it's honeycomb, so that's what we're going. I presume it'll come on the end of that one. So yeah, so that'll be interesting. And oh, we've got a cookie cutter. So there's a cookie cutter, star cookie cutter. That's nice. Do you know, that is exactly, I was going to make some candles. If you watch the I'll put you up here while I'm talking to you. If you watch the Kirsty Allsop Christmas special, she did stacked candles and they were star shapes. And I've got some wax and stuff left over from when I was doing candles. And that's perfect. So I might have a go at doing that and give them as little Christmas gifts. So yeah, fab, just what I needed. Right, so let's go over to the website and see what we're meant to be doing with today's Crochet Society Advent Calendar ball of wool.
Hello, it's Rosina again. So I hope you enjoyed learning jacquard mosaic crochet yesterday. We're actually going to carry on a little bit more of the same technique today, and actually the pattern today is very similar to yesterday, so it's just sort of offset a bit. So hopefully you'll find this one nice and easy to do. Okay, so today we have
So there you are, looks very similar. It's just instead of having the upside down sort of tree, you've got it up here. So it's just alternating in the space. So very nice, yes. So that didn't take too long to do actually. I might get that done quite easily today, especially as I've already done it once. So yeah, so look forward to doing that. So right, so as you know, I've been doing the trio of cushions, and I've already done the reindeer and the Father Christmas, and last night I started on the snowman, so there he is. I find it easy to put in a ring because these felts, although they have got the fusible webbing behind them, they don't actually, they stick fine where the bits stick onto themselves, like the green onto the red and the red onto the white, but where the white touches the fabric, it doesn't stick very well. And I don't want to burn it, so I've had to pin it. So the looser bits I've pinned, but the bits that go on top tend to just quite happily stick down. So yes, so I've got to do the blanket stitch, which I'm doing by hand. So that's something I can sit down and do in a sofa somewhere, because you can just carry it in. So hopefully I'll get that done today, and then that will be all 3 done, and then I can put them on a sofa somewhere. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. So hopefully I'll be back later with some finished items. Right, so I'm back. I think it's 5:45, in the late afternoon, evening, and I've finished the task for today's Crochet Society Advent blanket, and there you are, you can see. I don't know if you can see the detail, the raised detail. Yeah, so really pleased, went really well. Very similar to what we did yesterday, this mosaic sort of style. So yeah, so it's coming on, as you can see. That's it so far. I'm not sure what else we're going to do. I don't know how this, I mean, it's 10 days now, so I don't know how much bigger the blanket can get. But hopefully it'll be nice and big, at least big enough to have on your lap. So yes, so looking forward to carrying on with that tomorrow. Tonight I plan to blanket stitch around the snowman, and that will be, and I've done the other 2 cushions, so then that will be the set of 3 done. And also I'll put a picture up here of my mum died a year ago. I think it was about 5 days before Christmas, and she had a coffee table. It wasn't an antique or anything, but it was from the sort of 60s, 70s, and I remember sitting round it as a child doing puzzles. And then obviously as I had my children, because I've got 7 children, as they were growing up, they would go round and they would sit round it, because it was a round table, and do puzzles and things. So it's got a lot of sentimental value. And I'll put a picture up here of it. So it's a round table with a glass insert, and you can see there's a doily on there. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to make something for Christmas to sit on there. And so I bought this kit from Dandelion Designs, and it's that circular candle mat, and that is with all the Christmas decorations. And I thought that's really pretty, so that is what I want to do. So that is what I'm going to make a start on now. I've got the kit, so it's got all the bits in it, so that is what I'm hoping to make a start on. So hopefully I'll finish the snowmen, and then I'll start on this, and then I'll have that ready for Christmas. So yeah, so but I think I'm going to have to end the video now, because I need to edit it and get it up on YouTube. So I'll see you tomorrow for another advent. Bye for now.